Hello, this is B&R from Jane Sees the World. Today we are going to take a look at something everyone and their dog seems to be talking about these days, artificial intelligence, aka AI. AI is everywhere. And whether you love it, hate it, are scared of it, or just really don't understand it, and B and I are definitely in that category, it is there to stay. So we decided to go on a little quest and learn about AI through a medium we do know something about, travel. Specifically, we wanted to know if we could use this powerful tool to make travel planning easier. After all, the better you plan a trip, the more trips you get to go on. Not sure if that's true, but I'd like it if it was. As a disclaimer, B and I are not experts at AI. We researched a little to find tools and from there dove on in. I feel confident in saying this though. If we can do it, you can do it. So overall, were you overwhelmed or scared to jump right into AI, or did it seem pretty intuitive and easy?
Well, I've actually been looking for the right thing to start testing this out on. I had a coworker recommend finding something you really like to get comfortable with AI, and I had yet to find something that I was comfortable with. So the idea of travel planning was the light bulb, and yes, let's try it on this. So it actually got made me kind of excited to try it. I still was feeling overwhelmed because there's a lot of tools out there, but having the right topic definitely helped build some enthusiasm for me, at least.
Mm-hmm. In the next few videos of this playlist, we will go on an AI journey. We will try out different AI tools and apply them to different travel planning aspects, and we invite you to join us as we hopefully all learn a thing or two and become better travel planners. For our inaugural AI trip, we chose a recent adventure in the Maritimes of Canada. If you haven't heard of them before, and we hadn't until we went on a cruise with a bunch of Canadians, it means the eastern provinces of Canada on the Atlantic coast, just north of Maine. We visited 3 provinces in October 2024: Nova Scotia, New Brunswick, and Prince Edward Island. I would say that when I first put in a prompt, that's what we call it, right? You put
Yeah,
in
yeah.
a prompt. I was just amazed at what spit out in no time at all. It's very impressive.
I would agree. Yes, definitely. It's easy to get sucked into it very quickly. So you start out like a little trepidatious, like, I don't know if I can do this. And then 10 minutes later, you're like, I want all the tools and all the prompts.
There are loads of AI engines out there, and I'm sure more are popping up every day. We narrowed down the list to the ones we had heard of: ChatGPT, Perplexity, Claude AI, and Ask Layla. For each engine in future videos, we'll deep dive into a travel topic and show you how well it worked out to plan that topic using that AI tool. Spoiler alert, results are mixed. Okay, and what surprised you most about using the AI tools on our Canadian trip?
That you really need to get specific. I thought you would get better results or broader results if you kept it maybe a little bit more vague, but that was not the case. Specific is really important. So, for example, I was looking for some shopping places, the kind of shopping that we like to do, and I put it in for 2 provinces that we were going to visit. And not only was that too much, I really needed to narrow it down to the towns that we were in,
Mm-hmm.
probably during the time that we were going to be there. So, more specific is better for AI. That was the thing that surprised me the most.
Here's what we have in store for you in the future videos: food and restaurants, ChatGPT, budgeting, Copilot, shopping, Perplexity, packing, Claude AI, itinerary planning, Ask Layla. Overall, we confirmed one thing: AI has serious potential to improve travel planning. It is remarkable to type a question into an engine and see how much stuff pops out in no time at all. However, it will take a little work to find the best tool for the travel topic. We learned this through trial and error, and we will undoubtedly learn more the more comfortable we get with AI. We hope that you will join us on our journey to artificial intelligence and Canada and beyond. In the other videos of this series, we will share our results from the Canada trip and any other future trips that we go on that we plan somehow using an AI engine. We'll even sprinkle in some tips and tricks that we have learned to make it worth your while. AI has power to rock the travel world as we know it, and we are going to do our best to navigate this new frontier and bring you along for the ride.